If this isn't one of the ugliest buffets I have ever seen, I don't know what is. Normally I'd pass on a piece like this, but when your friends give you something for free, you can't say no, right? Join me as we turn this ugly duckling into a stylish swan that you'll be proud to have in your home. First, say goodbye to the outdated trim. I grabbed my trusty hammer, flathead screwdriver, and crowbar to pry it off. And guess what? It was glued on and screwed in from the inside. So, lesson learned. We also took off these old decorative wings on the doors and took off all the hardware with an electric screwdriver. Next, we cleaned the whole thing with Crud Cutter and a damp rag. Then it was Bondo to the rescue, helping us hide these ugly bow tie details. We filled, sanded, and then repeated until it was smooth. While the Bondo dried, we sanded the top to bare wood. The old finish was old, worn, and scratched, so we used a Festool Rotex sander that is very aggressive. I also used the Surf Prep sander with foam pads for the curved edges. Our next move was priming. After rolling bin primer, some bleed through still appeared, so we patched with Bondo, sanded, and primed again. And then we finished it off with a nice coat of shellac. One last thing before I could paint, I cut up the trim and then reattached it to make the trim look nice and finished. Finally, time to paint. We used Heirloom Traditions paint in the color Saltwater. And then our budget-friendly Von Forn paint sprayer gave it a professional looking smooth finish. Unfortunately though, after the first coat of paint, I could see all of the places where there are cracks in the wood. So I filled those all in with some caulk. And then we gave everything a second coat of paint. Then we stained the top using Varathane water-based stain in a color Overcast. And then we stained again with Minwax oil-based stain in Early American. This combo creates a beautiful light finish that looks so good. Then we protected the top with Minwax polyacrylic in the spray can. After 3 coats of top coat, it was nice and smooth, and I'm not worried about it getting damaged. Last but not least, we added crystal knobs. All right, here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. And there you have it. Our ugly buffet is now a stunning centerpiece. What do you think? Did we transform it, or is it still trash? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this makeover, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.